Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Denpasar area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, on this video I will make video around 16 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how look like the real situation at the moment in Denpasar, the capital city of Bali. I want to say thank you so much for your support on this channel, and if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end with the Balinese traditional music. Okay guys, now we are in the heart of Denpasar. You see the sign in the middle? Yeah, there's the sign of the heart of Denpasar. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we continue driving in Teku Umar Street. In this area, left side and right side, there is a lot of handphone shop. So almost the shop here is handphone shop. This is like gadget area. And maybe you think, why in Denpasar, the capital city of Bali, there is not building very high? Actually, all around Bali, we cannot make building very high. It means like, there is not the building higher than the temple sanctuary. The highest floor of building, it's same high as coconut tree. Okay, from Teku Umar Street, we turn left to explore Diponegoro Street. You see, it's very busy town, isn't it? A lot of car and motorbike around here. Because mostly who people working in this area is for local business. There is no for tourism business, so that's why in this area, even during the pandemic, corona is always busy. Okay, from Diponegoro Street we turn right because we will explore Renon area, the most expensive area in Denpasar. It is very beautiful weather, isn't it? Very blue sky. Okay guys, and right side we have two biggest mall in Denpasar area. We call Matahari and Ramayana. But as I told you, today we will explore Renon area, the office area from the government, and some rich people stay there. Okay, you can see the right side, the sign. Yeah, now we are in Renon area. In this area, in the right side, there is big area for the government office. But today we will explore how look like the station at the main street in this area. This look very beautiful, isn't it? The trees, the building is very nice. Also the road. Left side, there is lot of shop and restaurant. Right side is government office area. It's very big area, isn't it, for the government area? Okay, as I told you, I will show you where is the expensive area in Denpasar. You see at the front, there is one big house for rich people who stay here. It's mean like in this area, a lot of rich people stay in this area left side. Right side, there is government office. Very beautiful area, very green, and also the road is very nice, very smooth. If I turn right at the front, there is one big monument we call Bajra Sandi, the biggest monument in Denpasar. I already explored what inside there, so you can find on the playlist the channel. Okay, now we turn left because we will continue explore Renon area. And also in the Renon area, we have one big mall we call Plaza Renon. It's very beautiful street, isn't it? Okay, you can see left side, there is Plaza Renon. Look big, isn't it? And on this area, left side and right side, there is like a garden. They sell flower. They supply to the hotel and villa in Bali. So that's why in this area looks so green. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Denpasar area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. So what do you think about the capital city of Bali? It is very beautiful, isn't it? Denpasar is very nice town. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.